getting the Z tuned. I was doing a whole bunch of shit behind the scenes. I went and took the charge pipe to my boy Ryder. He fabricated a little flange so I could put the blow-off valve on, so the car has a blow-off valve now. Did an oil change. Basically just got it ready for a tune. We drained the gas out. Gas was like 6 months old, so I had to drain that out. I wasn't gonna tune it on that gas. Fingers crossed, man. I'm kind of traumatized. Since November, I've had 2 different setups on this car and they both failed. But now that we have the T4 again, I think we'll be all right. I guess the only thing now is just if the clutch holds up and my rods. So those are the only concerns right now. I think the turbo will be fine. I think the whole setup will work. He brought his R31 out. It's a kit car. It's not real. His T's are fake. You know how I can tell? Oh, yep. Water spots. Real T's don't ever have water spots. This guy has so much money and he buys fake T's. That's crazy. Look at the shift knob. That's a condom. Smells like arigato. Dang, this thing looking crazy long on the GoPro. A little BMW limo. Little nervous. It's been a while. Made the VQ gods look over me today. I should have just left my setup the way I had it, but people are just too fast nowadays, bro. Like, I can't have a setup on my Z and have close races with stock turbo BMWs. Like, come on, man. Will I tell you guys what the car makes today? Probably not. Nowadays, you can't even post numbers, bro, because you're just going to get a bunch of people cherry picking. They're just trying to look for an easy dub for clout. So the racing scene is just, you just can't let people know what you make nowadays. Either just find out or don't find out at all. The only weak points I would say right now of the setup would be maybe the clutch. If it works and we do make more power, most likely the clutch. And possibly the rods. The motor that's in the car right now is built. I bought it like 3 years ago for my homie. Pistons, rods, you know, bearings. Head's pretty stock. I think it just has cams and springs. It's a very, very basic motor build. I'm honestly surprised that it's still going. If something does happen to the motor, I'm not really gonna be too sad, because if you guys remember a long time ago, I have everything to build a new motor, pretty much all CP stuff, and that'll definitely be good for over 1,000. So I just never built it because I didn't really care. So if this setup works, then we're gonna basically kind of try to see the limits of the motor, I guess, and just go from there. So hopefully all works in my favor and we leave here off the dyno with some boost. I'm scared. We making some progress. Shit sounds crazy. So it's hitting boost, but it's underpowered for some reason. So trying to figure out what's going on with that. I might need to do some spark plugs. Honestly, it's been a while. I'm hiding behind the forklift. I don't know if y'all seen cars blow up on the dyno, bro. Shit'll go flying. You can literally die. Good thing, nothing bad happened. Bad thing, it's not making what I want it to right now. Possibly maybe some new spark plugs. It's been a while since I changed them. But everything on the tune honestly looked perfect. Like nothing looked wrong. Is that a coyote? Damn. But yeah, everything on the tune looked fine. It's just it's not making what it should. So do the downpipe, put the tome back on, new spark plugs, I'll compression test this, make sure everything's good with the motor, and we'll just go from there. I can't even be mad. Nothing happened. Car drove off the dyno, so I'm not gonna be mad at it. We'll just come back probably next weekend and retune it, see what's good with it. But at least right now we could do some pulls, see how it feels. It's been a while, man, since I did some pulls in this car. You blew out African American smoke. All right, guys. Well, let's see what this thing do on low boost. Definitely drives better. Yeah. Less laggy. Fuck. Bro, this shit's so loud. Bro, like this. Fucking eyes and shit, I can't see. That shit look here, like, it blows into your eyes.